So one of your media interaction you mentioned about the private companies' investment in space. How
Yeah.
it's going to work, sir, in particular about ISRO?
See, both are different. ISRO is a research organization, and we have been the only organization working in space till few years back. Now we are encouraging private companies to work in space sector. There were some private companies working for space, and they were only suppliers of systems and components, but never an engineering firm. No, they don't know, they didn't know how to build a satellite. They didn't know how to build a rocket in its entirety. But then now new companies are started coming, and they want to hire people with experience and build all this. And there were no regulation in the government to allow this. So now regulation is in place, something called space policy. It allows people to work in space. Any domain they want, it can be permitted, and there is an authorizing a body we created and in space. So they will give licenses or authority to do that, and you can create a business around it. So this is now possible. But then the question is how, whether it is going to be profitable, whether it is going to produce results. These are yet to be seen because it just started. But I can tell you in the application side, there are companies who are doing very well, like image processing, communication, those domains. People who are investing are creating good returns. And the second layer of companies are the companies which are building satellites. There also I am seeing there is a good prospect because satellites are built not for India alone. It is even built it for export, and the small satellite market is actually growing. There are thousands of satellites going. So at least 5 companies are started in India who are ready to build satellites. Like Tata has invested heavily to create their own satellite manufacturing hub. In Bangalore also, at least there are 3 companies building satellites. One for Airbus and some for other companies. So based on kits that are coming from, so it's like the Maruti Suzuki started building cars in India first time based on kits from Japan. So we are at that level now. But after some time, the sector will grow, and local companies will start building components, and assembly will happen here. So ISRO is mandated now to help them. We will help them with technology, we will help them with manpower, we will help them with facility support for testing, etc. in case they don't know how to invest. So all these are now happening. So it's not an issue anything for ISRO, because ISRO will continue to do what is needed for the nation as a high-end development of technology, etc. But then what is needed for commercial exploitation business will be done by the private.